Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, modify, save, and run your first Python program in a source code file. First, you need to start idle, click on File, New File, then save this file as a Python file, .py, in the location that you want. First, program.py, and click on Save. Okay, now you can modify this source code file. For example, you can print something on the screen. Hello, cat can code or do some calculation. I plus 5 equal to 5 plus 5. And then you can click on save or Control S to save this file. And you can run it by click on run and run modules. It will show the result of the program in this window. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.